Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential for any designer or creative out there. How to open a Figma file in 2025. Figma has become a go-to tool for collaboration, and with its latest updates, it's even more user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Figma account. If you don't have one, head over to the Figma website and sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is like your personal hub for all your projects. Now, to open a file, there are a couple of ways you can go about it. The easiest method is through a shared link. If someone has shared a Figma file with you, just click on the link in your email or message. This will automatically open the file in your browser. If it's your own file, navigate to the Files tab on your dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent projects listed. Simply click on the one you want to open, and boom, it's right there. But what if the file isn't showing up? Don't worry, you might need to search for it. Use the search bar at the top of the dashboard and type in the file name. Figma's search is pretty smart now in 2025, so it should pull up results quickly. Once you find it, click to open. If you're dealing with a file that's been downloaded or exported, you can import it directly. Go to the File menu, select Import, and upload your file from your computer. Figma supports various formats, making this a breeze. One quick tip: always check for updates in Figma settings. The 2025 version has improved real-time collaboration features, so if you're working with a team, make sure everyone is on the same page, literally. And there you have it. Opening a Figma file is as simple as that. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.